Hello everyone, my name is Vandana and I'm going to talk about snakes and their repellents. Snakes are renowned for their venomous bites, slithering movements and striking appearance. Although they are crucial to the ecosystem, yet many people are afraid of them and want to keep them out of their houses and gardens. Snake repellents are one of many ways to keep the snakes away. There are various snake repellents. Example, chemical snake repellents. These substances give off pungent odors with the help of different chemicals like naphthalene, sulfur and mothballs just to keep these snakes away, and usually the reptiles, they find it unpleasant. The same way we have natural snake repellents. These snake repellents are made from natural ingredients that are safe for both humans and the environment, including natural snake repellents. These repellents are made from cinnamon or clove oil or cedar oil, which are most widely used and that usually snakes find unpleasant. The same way we have electronic snake repellents, that to make the snake's environment unpleasant, electronic snake repellents emit high frequency sound waves. Although the sound waves are inaudible to humans, snakes find them to be unpleasant. As you all know that snakes have a very less sight and they cannot hear sounds to a much extent. So we here in Opium India, we make repellents that are made with high ultrasonic sound waves and vibrations that emits certain sort of vibrations which can make snake unpleasant. You can keep these repellents under the ground near your workplace or your garden area, wherever you find it proper, where there must be high chances for snakes to come. These repellents work as a savior that can keep your snakes away. The same way we make a combo. We have a combo of snake as well as rat repellents, because as you all know that snakes are much more attracted towards rats just to feed. So with this, the emissions or the vibrations work in such a way that it emits both the rats as well as the snakes from your environment. So yes, these are the two combos, these are the two repellents which we make and which can help your environment or your surrounding safe. So this is the snake repellent that Opium India provides. You just need to do only one thing. You just have to insert 4 batteries within this and place it in an area wherever you find that snakes might come, be it your workplace or be it your garden area or be it your environment. It just keeps your environment safe and secure and from the reptiles or the snakes. We have a combo as a rat repellent too. We have this as a combo. This can be much more effective as this is a snake repellent and rat repellent. This is how it works. It's just that you need to adjust the period as well as the frequency based on your requirement, as the immune system of the snake gets reduced by adjusting the period and the frequency that produces the vibrations equal amount of time. It's just that how snake, if you want it in a more effective way, you can go for this combo, as snakes and rats are interrelated to each other, because some or the other way rats are the food for snakes and they come in search of rats, so they get affected too. So combo has a different effect as it targets both the harmful animals that keeps our environment safe.